Hi everyone. We're the ABC Goat Trek Kids. We're going to teach you a neat and easy trick for how to remember our names,
our breeds,
where we come from,
and how we help out with food and fiber in agriculture.
Let's begin.
A is for alpine, with milk that's divine.
B is for boar, a meat goat so fine.
C is for cashmere, known for its coat.
D is for dwarf, a small Nigerian goat.
E is for English Channel, my home, what a place.
F is for fainting, whose legs lose their pace.
G is for golden, with a coat so bright.
H is for Himalayan, cashmere so soft and so light.
I is for ibex, so wild and so free.
J is for Jamnapuri, a milk goat from India you see.
K is for Kiko, so white and so lean.
L is for La Mancha, no ears can be seen. M is for Myotonic, whose muscles will freeze.
N is for Nubian, floppy ears to its knees.
O is for Aberhasli, with a reddish-brown coat.
P is for Pygmy, so small we all note.
Q is for quality, goats that are the best.
R is for the rangeland, who has passed the test.
S is for Spanish, with horns so long and grand.
T is for Toggenburg, with spots on our stand.
U is for unique, goats that are rare.
V is for Valais Blackneck, a Swiss goat with flair.
W is for West African goats that are small.
X is for Xinjiang with cashmere for all. Y is for yield, goats that produce so much.
And Z is for zesty cream from goat milk you can trust.
We're the ABC Goat Trek Kids from lands near and far. It's great to meet you wherever you are. If you want to go on a goat trek with us in tow, take a peek at the book in the description box below.